Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new haul video. Recently I was at Action and I bought different yarn, different wool, and I'm going to show you what exactly I bought there today. We're going to start here with a highlight, for me at least. I love what this looks like. It's called Knitted Yarn Special, it says on here. And we have, it's so thick, it's just so thick. I'm gonna try and see if I can pull it out here in the middle, just to see if I can show it a little better here. And that worked really well. So this is what this looks like. This is one thread, but it's actually more like a webbed, knitted tube, kind of. So I'm gonna try and see 4, 5, 6. I think it's 6 lines down, if I didn't miscount. With a nice color fade, it's really cool looking, I think. And super pretty. I bought this in 2 color variations. This one's like blue and purple, a little colder colors with some browns here also, and just the more like purple and pinks. But everything is a little colder colors. And I have another one with different colors. This is really heavy actually. It's 250 grams and 43 meters. 50% acrylic, 35% polyamide, and 15% wool. So definitely warm. Okay, and let's see here. It's recommended for a size 15 crocheting hook. As you might know, I don't have a size 15 crocheting hook. I have a 12 or 20. So maybe I just have to go and buy one, because this, obviously needs a very special size crocheting hook. Usually I will just use my size 20, but let's see what that would look like here. I usually just crochet really big wools like this, but let's see. Let's have a little test. And this actually works surprisingly well. As you can see, this also works with the size 20 crocheting hook, and it has a lovely, lovely optic here for sure. I love what this looks like. Unfortunately, I pulled half of the ball of yarn out. I'm gonna see if I can pop that back in. And then here's the second variation. This is, more warmer colors here. It has some orange, green, some blues, a lot more colors, and some purple, some pink. Just definitely warmer colors. Everything else is the same. So these 2 really interesting balls of yarn here. And obviously I'm gonna go and look at the price here. $3.99 per ball of yarn. Okay, let's continue. So here we have 2 big balls of yarn also. This is fake fur wool special edition, 100% polyester, 200 grams and 120 meters long. And let's see, it's recommended for a size 10 to 12. It's super soft. And here we have the thread actually hanging out already. This is actually the one from the outside, but still useful. And so you can see the fur here is kind of on top of this main thread basically, or it's rather like, it's not really a thread, I would say. I would say it's more just like a piece of fabric maybe. And because we have this, it's kind of darker. And so it kind of looks like, like skin, or like also, very interesting. It almost looks like a color fade here. It's an interesting color here. It's like a brown, almost reddish brown. Maybe we can make a hat out of this. Maybe you will see that on my channel soon. So super cozy. So this is like a brownish red. And then here, we have another color. This is a very pastel-y pink, like a powdery pink. Here the base is, yeah, same color. So also the slight pink, or like the pastel pink. So a little different, but let me see here real quick if I can just pull out a nice part. Yes. This actually worked much easier than on the big ball of yarn that we just were looking at. This is my size 10. Yeah, I'm just going to use my size 10 for now just to test it out. With the fake fur, this is for $3.93. No, sorry, $3.39. Let's see here how this crochets. So the base really, really like disappears. So like the main like fabric that it's put onto. The stitches are not easy to see, so definitely not that easy to crochet with if you're a beginner, but yeah, it's very voluminous and very fluffy. But I could honestly see this, you know, for like a pom-pom or something like that. Yeah. And so far the balls of yarn have been really big, but this one's even bigger. So this is tweed wool, tweed yarn actually. It has like little sprinkles on top. This is a light pink, really nice color. We have 300 grams, 265 meters long. It's a big ball of yarn for sure. 96% acrylic and 4% polyester, and meant for size 8 crocheting hooks. I might, yeah, use a size 6, but obviously it depends a little bit on, yeah, the test if we do a test. Really large here. We could, you know, make a blanket out of this. Obviously you would need a few more balls of yarn here, maybe with like 3 of them or so. Really cute and feels great, I think. So yeah, really big ball of yarn here. I think I might just make a big ball of yarn out of it. A big scarf out of it. And let's see here what the price was. This was the biggest ball of yarn, was $4.25. And from this variation, from this wool, there was different variations also. There was also a gray and like a beige. But yeah, for now I only bought 1 ball of yarn of this one. And then we're getting to the wool that's actually not a special wool. It doesn't actually say special here, it says essentials, so like more of a standard type. This is called XL. I think they always have them at Action, but honestly, I'm not sure because I don't buy there often enough. It's 100% acrylic, 200 grams and 100 meters long. Meant for size 9 to 10 crocheting hooks. And you know, I might actually even use a smaller size, but that definitely would work as well. It feels really nice. It's kind of shiny and like nice and smooth. I'm gonna maybe start and try this out for a second here on the 10 crocheting hook. I bought this in a nice like mint color and then a pink also. I could also see this definitely in a combination. I'm gonna put the pink aside here and see what this crochet is like. But honestly, now that I have it in my hand, it looks a little bigger than it looked like first. The other one was for size 8, but honestly, yeah, this is a little bigger, but I could see a size 6 also for the slightly thicker one. But yeah, let's see. So. It definitely works with a size 10. It's definitely nice and loose, but that obviously also depends on what you're looking for. I would kind of choose a slightly smaller size, unless obviously you want this effect, then it's perfect. This is really nice to crochet with. It's really nice and smooth. And yeah, just comes off with the hook really easily. Has a great look to it. I think it has a few different threads here kind of twisted around each other. It's 4 different threads. Yeah, really nice wool here, I think. So let's go over what we looked at. So we had these two here, the XLs. Then we had the tweed wool, or tweed yarn actually. Really large and super pretty. Definitely gonna see this again. Then here, one of my highlights for sure from the very beginning, for the size 20 crocheting hook. This lovely yarn here, it's called knitted yarn, and so which is actually, I believe, knitted. Great look here, I think. And we have the two colors. This is the other variation, and then we have the fake fur wool in this like brownish red and also in pink. So really nice things here today. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and you'll always be prepared when I send new videos. Oh, you know what? I forgot the price for this one. Let me look real quick. Excuse me. This is $3.29. And see you next time.